Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maintain BMW 5 Series, updated. Start with basic daily checks like oil level, tire pressure, and warning lights. Keep a concise checklist in the glove box and note miles and dates for each check. Small issues caught early save you time and money and keep your BMW driving smoothly. Make these quick inspections part of your routine after each long trip or monthly. Regular fluid and filter care keeps a BMW 5 Series running well and feeling sharp. Use manufacturer-recommended oil grade and replace the oil filter every oil change. Inspect coolant, brake and transmission, fluid levels, and top off with correct fluids when needed. Swap cabin and engine air filters to maintain HVAC comfort and engine breathing. Keeping fluids fresh protects components and maintains fuel efficiency and performance. If you're finding this content helpful, please subscribe and like to support more BMW maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, lasting scent that complements your clean cabin. I use one hanging near the rear view for a subtle boost between cleanings. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Brakes and suspension define safety and comfort on a BMW 5 Series, so inspect them often. Check pad thickness, rotor condition, and brake fluid level, and replace components at the first sign of significant wear. Pay attention to steering feel and noises that suggest shocks, struts, or bushings need attention. Rotate tires every service interval and correct alignment to avoid uneven wear and preserve the car's composed ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.